What's up, Pilipinas? So it's another unboxing. Well, more like unbagging because nasa plastic bag lang. Wala siya sa box. Pero I specifically ordered one na dapat nasa box. Kaya lang, I think what they did is, teka, kailangan i-unbag. Labas natin sa pouch para makita nyo kung ano ginawa niya. So, ang ginawa ng seller, so I ordered for something by an online shopping portal. I'll open this. It came delivered by Shopee Express. Yan, Shopee Express. It arrived yesterday, what time? Mga afternoon? Lunch? Morning? So, umalis ako ng morning so dapat umalis ko ito mga afternoon. So, I'll open it. Siraan ko na yung bag. Kasi this will not be very useful for me after. And look what is inside. Inside is a box. An empty box. And inside is the gloves. Yan, the gardening gloves that I ordered online. So I ordered one that is inside the box, pero ang ginawa nila, tinanggal nila yung box, which is dapat ganito itsura. Sarado ko lang ulit. Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya nila tinatanggal sa box? Then, pinapak nila and the plastic bag supposed to look like ano ba dapat to? This way. See natin. Supposed to look like ayan. Ganito dapat. Ayan. Ganyan dapat. And the package should be the gloves should be inside. These are actually garden gloves. Color green. Pero in order ko, walang dapat yun ba akong logo na in order? I don't think so. Pero let's look at the actual package or the actual item. It's inside a plastic bag. Here, plastic bag. Okay, so dalawang piraso naman. Medyo magkakadikit. Parang gamit na, madumi. Medyo parang madumi. Tapos tinesting nila siguro, I don't know. And then, the other side, yung right side, ito yung may mga claws. Ayan, 4 na claws on 4 fingers, except the thumb. Para it can help you, it was designed to help you dig in the soil. Ito, this is probably strong enough to dig into the soil. Teka, subukan natin isuot. So, ganito siya. Ang baliktad, ayun. Ganito. Now, wear this one like that. Ayan. So, yun na siya. Perfect fit. Sakto lang sa kamay ko. Although, try kong suot yung kabilang side. The left side. Ayan. So, medyo mahirap na dahil may mga claw yung kabila. Pero hindi naman matulis yung claw. Yung mga claws, parang plastic lang siya na medyo pointed. That's good enough. Ayan. Siguro mas uunahin ko dapat tong side na to bago to. Kasi ito, may nakaharap. Like that. Ayan. So, okay. Perfect fit. Although parang medyo mix pero okay. Tama na yan. Size na yan. Ito medyo madumi lang. You can see what, diba? Medyo parang madumi. Parang used na siya. Well, this one, okay, malinis pa. Good enough. For the price of 63 pesos. Pero plus the delivery na 40 pesos, so umabot ng 100 plus. Good? What do you think? Okay na ba siya? So that is from, it's called Garden Genie Gloves. Durable claws replace hand tools. Itong claws, parang pwede na akong scratch. Puncture resistant to protect your hands. So, kung merong mga tutulis na, halimbawa, mga thorns, or merong matulis na part na nahalo sa soil, you're protected by using garden gloves. And so that's it. Very simple. It's the unbagging, not unboxing, kasi they remove it from the box, nilagay sa plastic bag lang, sa pouch, then they put the box separately. I don't know why, bakit nila ginawa yun. Mukhang durable naman yung box. Pero siguro parang mas mapangit ang presentation kapag madudurog yung box while it's being delivered. Baka madaganan. Lalong pangit tingnan. Pero